Hey my darlings, welcome back to my channel. If you guys would like to know how to do your own DIY sunflower foam bouquet, stay tuned. Let's see how I did it. So first things first, you're going to need, if you'd like to, you can use a glue gun. You're going to need a piece of floral foam like this. Of course, this comes in green. I spray painted it gold, just so any places that might be out of, visible, it'll be gold, so it'll be pretty. And then I also have, I bought this Dollar Tree for the glue gun, floral foam Walmart, sunflower buds Walmart, sunflower stems Walmart as well, and then also little extra sunflower pieces. I got these from Dollar Tree. Oops, yeah, that came from, this is from Dollar Tree. I have an extra one just in case. I got these buds for like maybe like less than four US dollars. Dollar Tree, well, now $1.25. So let's see how this looks. Okay, so what I'm gonna do first is, as I have my full stem, I'm gonna go ahead and start removing the buds, removing the head pieces off of the stem. These are all Velcro, so not Velcro, but they're all wired, so you can just pull them right off of the stem. So it'll look something like this when you begin to take them off. And we just go ahead and fill. So let's see how it looks. Sticks right on in. Okay. And here you guys have it. My final bouquet piece. Put it down so you guys can see all around. Go back up. Here you guys have it, nice and full. You can't, let me go down a little bit more. See how you can barely see. This is just a stand that I have. It's not part of my bouquet. I just put it up so you guys can see that when these open so wide, you won't see no green spaces where I could foam them all out. Nothing. Just have the green leaves in, and there you guys have it. Make sure everything is filled. I believe so. Yep. Yeah. Make everything dry. There you have it.